Hi there. In this video, I've shown you how you can create your own Shopify privacy policy, refund policy, and terms of service page, and you can generate all of those pages inside your Shopify dashboard itself. Yes, you heard me right. You don't even have to go to any other site to generate or take like what you're going to write in those pages, okay? So watch this video till the end to know about the entire process so that you can apply it to your own Shopify website. Okay? So let's get started. Okay guys, so let's see it. Okay, so first you have to go to create your refund policy, privacy policy, and terms of service. Click the settings button over here, then go to legal. Okay, manage your store's legal pages, legal, and as you can see you have the refund policy, privacy policy, terms of service, and the shipping policy over here. Okay, so if you want to generate, you just have to click create from template. Okay, click this button. See, your refund policy is already generated. You can see in this, like the email ID which I provided in the my profile section, it's that email ID. You can see, wait, then if we come to the privacy policy, you can see where it is. Yeah, help.shopify. See, it's your entire privacy policy, and see, it's the in contact us. This is my address which I gave in the profile section. Okay, so you don't even have to put your address. You don't even have to edit it or something. Okay, if down the line if you ever change your address or like your email ID, you then have to make another one to replace the template, and then you can generate another policy. Okay, so as you can see, we have the refund policy, privacy policy, and also the terms of service. Okay, so to make the page, first click the online store icon. Okay, let's open pages, the new tab. Okay, wait a second, settings, legal, yeah, create from, yeah, refund policy. Okay, now copy this entire refund policy. Okay, just copy it from here and then go to pages, add a new page, yeah, name it refund policy. Then you just have to paste it over here, and here you go. See, in search engine listing, the page will show like this: refund policy, your like domain name of your store, and then this your refund policy. Okay, then just hit the save button. Yep, and just like that, you have created your refund policy page. Now let's create the other pages. So yeah, add a page, go to privacy policy, come here, come to privacy policy, generate. Okay, then copy, come here, then again paste. See, your privacy policy page is over in the search engine. It will look like this. Then again save, then back, add page, yeah, then the terms of service. See, you just have to copy paste it, everything. Okay, terms of service, then create from template, then copy this entire section, yeah, like this, copy, then paste it over here. Okay, then see, your terms of service page will appear like this on Google or any other search engine. Then save, and just like that, we have created our pages. You can view your page from here, like the terms of service page. See, your terms of service page, this is my store's name. Just look at this. This is the terms of service page. You can view your privacy policy page from here. Just go to view pages and see See, it's simple. It's pretty simple to generate all the pages, okay? And if whenever you want to like edit those pages, just come to this section in pages, select anyone, and you can just edit them, okay? And as I like already told you, you can like hide the pages till the time you're making them, or like you can set a visibility date that you want these pages to go live from this or this time, okay? So that was all on how to create your privacy policy, terms of service, and refund policy page. I hope you found this video useful. As I already just said, this video is the part of a Shopify series in which I am taking you on a journey from creating your own Shopify store to adding products, to advertising, to making real profit. So to get notified when I upload my next video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon button to get notified when I upload my video. Thank you very much.